Well, guys, it's early morning. Sun's coming up, but I had to show you how the garden's growing. Here is the sugar snap peas. Look how they're climbing on the fence Gran put up. Look at there. Well, them's not climbing as much, but look at there. They like, you know, these plants they like the sun, but they like a lot of, a little bit of shade is good for them. If it gets too hot, too bright, look at my radishes. They're just getting so big. The dew has fallen. We have a lot of dew here in West Virginia, so it kind of, look at my cabbage. It kind of, can you see the water on that, the dew? It kind of waters the plants a little bit, maybe not a whole lot, but I got to show you these garlics. I have never, ever in my life. I'm going to try to get down so you can see how tall that garlic is. I want you to look at that. What a blessing from the Lord. That chicken poo evidently made an amazing difference. Look how big, look how huge those are. And I'm going to tell you where I got these. I have a neighbor that gave me, he buys all the organic stuff, and it's expensive, and that's great, but I don't spend that much. I mean, I just don't. So here is, I don't know what the bulbs are going to look like when I pull them up in a month or so, couple months or whatever. But this is the ones he gave me. He gave me some to plant that row. See these? They're like this, okay? A little secret. I got the garlic bulbs. There's a bag at Sam's for like, I don't know, maybe $3 and something. I want to show you the ones that I planted. Look at that. These are from Sam's, the bag of bulbs from Sam's. You just break them up about the end of September. You can even do it the 1st of October. It's no big deal because they grow through the winter. But I want you to look at them. I'm not going to tell you how tall I am, but when I stand here, this comes almost to my chest. This one probably will be to my chest right here. I say close to it. But are they not gorgeous? God's just so good. Of course, see the dew, how the dew, look at the plants, how wet it is. Look, can you see how wet it is? Look at that. That's from the heavy dew here where we're at. Look at there. Look how wet that is. Look at there. I don't know if you can see the sun shining on it, how wet it is. But it's beautiful. It's all wet. So that's wonderful. My onions are still doing good, of course. The pepper plants that got bit is trying to come back. If you'll look here, I got weeds. I'm picking weeds out here. That one, see, I clipped the brown leaves, so it's trying its best to come back. That leaf I'm going to leave because it's not too bad. They don't look the best, but they survived the frost, so I am not complaining at all. Look at this one. It's got bloom on it. Look at that. You go. This one, once you see leaves that's a little yellow, you want to get rid of those leaves because it takes the nutrition from your plant. I'm going to look over here to see if my zucchini is up. Oh, look here, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at there. Thank you, Lord. That's the only one that's up. The rest will come up, though. But that's the only one right now. Look at there. Ain't that gorgeous? We eat a lot of zucchini, and I'll tell you, we put it in the freezer. Remember this one that got burnt so bad? It's trying so hard to survive. I want to show you my other plants that the suckers are still living. See? Oh, look how pretty that apple one is. Look at this plum. That's gorgeous. Look at that. So these tomato plants that I told you that got burnt really bad, they got burnt really bad. See this? I gotta break that off. And I gotta break this one off because it's no good for the plant at all. I'll break this one off when it gets a little bit bigger. Because these does not need to be there. Kind of looks bad when you do that, but it's healthier for it. I've got to break some off that. This one, I'm surprised though that they're doing as well. That's prayer. I said, Lord, let my plants live. Whatever you ask in his name and believe. He said he'd do it, didn't he? Look at there. So this one, it didn't make it. This one's pretty bad. So we got an empty bucket here. This one, it's a goner. Look at this one. Look how pretty that one is. See, it done really good. Got another cabbage. It's dead. It died. I don't know what happened to it. Look at that. It's pretty bad. Look how pretty these are. Look how pretty these are. See the beautiful dew? I don't know if you can see the dew on these. Look at the dew on these leaves. Look at that. That's just watering the garden from heaven, guys, is what that is. I need to get down here and get the rest of my weeds up. You know, my lemon tree that was kind of dying, and I said I got to cut the branches. Well, I've not cut the branches yet because I've just not. And I need to do that today, and I will. But look what's coming out on it. Look here. Look down here on the bottom here. Can you see this? Look at all of these. I'm so excited. That is so wonderful. I want to show you the strawberry plants. Look how beautiful they are. Strawberry plants needs a lot of water. You can see, look here. And they love Miracle-Gro. I know a lot of people don't use Miracle-Gro. Look here, we're gonna have a lot of strawberries. Look at there. Look at these, how pretty these are. They're looking beautiful. Look here how pretty they are. We got a plant growing in here we need to get out. I'll have to pull that up in a little bit. See how pretty they are? These are the younger ones. So, but I wanted to show you, a lot of people will grow in pots. Here's one of the tomato plants that got clipped. So it's doing okay. It's not like the greatest of greatest. Look at the pepper plant, how pretty. I kindly evidently planted one of the leaves, but look at that. Is that not gorgeous? My beets are coming up. There's the straggling tomato plant. Look how pretty. That's the prettiest plant ever. That's left over from last year. Up there's another one. If you look, you can see I have several. I'm going to have to pull them. I've got one there. And Grant's like, just leave them in there. No, I got beets to grow there. Got to have room for my beets. Look at that, how pretty that is, though. That is beautiful. We got some bloom. But I want to show you these. I really didn't think this plant would make it. I'm going to have to repot it, but it's got to get stronger. So I'm going to have to add a little bit of dirt and put it up to about right here because it's really, really weak. So I got to get that today taken care of. Once it gets stronger, then I can repot it if I want to and put it a little bit deeper. It's not deep enough, but look at these pepper plants. Look how beautiful they are. I have one that's really showing itself right here. Look at this. One thing about when you put, I like to, there's another tomato plant that survived the frost. Here's one. Here's what I like to do with these pots, guys. If you just put all pot and soil, it dries out super, super fast. Like you can't keep it wet enough. So I got some marigolds coming up right here. I've got to get out. So what I like to do is I like to take And I mix, I don't know if you can see it really good without me digging down in there, but I mix half potting soil and half ground dirt. That ground dirt will hold that water better than that potting soil alone. So if you can mix like half and half, or at least put a fourth maybe, what ground dirt you can put in. I try to do about half and half, but if you mix it, it keeps your ground, your soil will stay wetter longer instead of just potting soil. So this is what the garden's looking like. And we're going to get rain starting tonight, so they're going to eat it up. They're going to love it. So I hope you're planting your garden. I hope your garden's doing good. And I hope it's growing good. And I hope everything is working out good for you. I'm glad you watched the video, and I will bring more. We're going to, today on the other side of this fence, Gran's going to till her up because I kind of used all my space. He's going to till her up on the outside of the fence. My cucumbers, my watermelon, my cantaloupe is going to go on the other side of the fence. I kind of used up. I think I need another box here. What do y'all think? I think another box will be nice right here. And then if I really need to, I think I can put another box right here. Wouldn't that be wonderful? So anyway, have a good garden day. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And always remember, take it to the Lord in prayer.